So I have been wanting to do a video like this for a while now, and this comes from just some of the interactions and conversations going on social media. But the theme is basically no one can tell you what to do with your body. And that might seem a little controversial, being a nutrition coach. I'm telling you how to manipulate your body, but those decisions are based on the choices of my clients. They come to me and they have a goal in mind. They want help and accountability to achieve that goal, and it's my job to help them achieve that in the healthiest way possible and the most sustainable way possible. So this comes from, if you want to lose weight, that is your choice. As long as you are not obviously pushing past and compromising your health, I am totally okay with that. If you don't want to lose weight, that's totally your choice too. If you're in a healthy weight and you're just like, hey, I want to lean out a little bit, that is totally your choice. And you can do that from a healthy mindset, right? So for example, and I will be sharing more of my own weight loss journey with you guys this week, but I'm a little bit heavier than what I would normally say. I'm pretty comfortable, about 141, 140 pounds. Right now, I'm about 148, 147. Gained some weight while we're on this lockdown, and I wanted to share that with you. I've been pretty honest and open about that in previous social media posts, but it's not really a priority for me right now. There are things that I need to have in line before I know it's a good idea to approach a calorie deficit for a long period of time, or for a structured period of time, rather. So, you know, that's something I'll investigate probably in the next couple weeks, because in the previous month or so, I've been working really hard on those things that I know I need to have in place before I move on to the next step. I need to be making sure that I'm sleeping all the time. My movement is consistent. Even if it's not to the level and intensity I want it to be, it's still consistent in some form every day. I need to make sure that my nutrition and my relationship with food is at a good baseline level. Is it a little bit high for, you know, maybe what I want to be as far as to perform for CrossFit? Yeah. So I'm going to need to address that at some point, but I also need to moderate it and have a consistent intake, so I'm not going binge restrict, binge restrict, binge restrict. I know that is crucial for being successful in the long term and making that deficit or fat loss stage really successful. So basically, I just want to reiterate, it is your choice if you want to lose weight. If it's to increase your confidence, that's an okay answer too. If it's to feel better in your clothes, basically, like, it is your choice. If it's to perform better at a sport, that's totally your choice. And it doesn't have to mean that you're not confident in the skin you're in. For example, like I just told you, I'm a little bit heavier than I would say I'm, quote, comfortable with. I'm standing here in front of you in a sports bra, and I was just outside sunbathing. Like, it doesn't mean that I don't have the confidence to wear less clothing or be in a bathing suit or anything like that. My goal, I want to be a little bit lighter so I feel more confident. It's not that I'm not confident now, but also to perform better at CrossFit. All those CrossFit movements, those bodyweight movements, are easier when you weigh a little bit less. They're better for your joints, and it's a personal choice. So I'll try not to ramble on too much, but I just wanted to reiterate that because I think it's a really important point. So if you have a friend that is pursuing a fat loss goal or changing their body composition, support them. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're like, oh, you know, that they think negatively of themselves. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but support them in their efforts to be healthy and to do it in a sustainable way. So basically, be kind, be considerate, and have a good day, guys.